That's good.
It's really fun but I scraped myself by doing it.
Get a wedgie. Zoe, thumbs up.
Concentrate on just getting your legs.
Zoe! Go, girl! Wait till he tells you to climb. He'll be harnessed up.
Okay, when you're ready.
Go, Zoe! Yay!
Go, Zoe! Woohoo!
She's good at this stuff.
Yeah, you'll get
She's
there.
got those legs.
Yeah, one easy bound.
Yep. Dun da dun, dun da dun.
Spider
Dun
woman,
dun dun
Spider
dun.
woman, anything,
No,
Spider can.
Catwoman.
That's right.
You should
Go,
see
Zoe, you're doing really
what
well.
he did up there. It was great.
I hate it when someone's climbing. It's going to give them nerves, isn't it? Just be quiet. Just be encouraging and nothing else, right?
Have you worked out which one of you will be next?
Go, Zoe. You're doing
that's
great
brilliant.
job.
You're so
Straight
right.
up.
Oh, she went further than
Good
it.
girl. Just
Oh,
look right down, look up. That's it. Easy. Good girl.
Oh, you
You are brilliant. Yes.
Well done.
Last step.
Oh, good girl.
Yeah.
Zoe, get it! Yay! Woo!
She did a god at a thing.
Yay! Good scream! Woo! Now she comes down. Woo! Yay!
Your heart was
Go, girl! Come on, if I can fall out of a plane, you can do that. Oh, just the knees. Yeah, a few weeks ago.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that was a bit more than...
Oh my goodness. No, that's never.
Oh, I think so.
Yeah, you going to have another go?